Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening File Explorer using Windows plus E. This gets you straight to the controls. Once the window is open, click View, then Options to open Folder Options. You want to be in the Privacy section because that's where quick access and recent files are tracked. Clearing them removes traces and reduces clutter. Make sure you understand why, privacy, and a cleaner quick access. Then move to the Clear button to remove existing history and adjust the two checkboxes to stop future tracking. Once done clearing the privacy entries, uncheck the two boxes that repopulate quick access. Show recently used files and show frequently used folders. This prevents immediate reappearance. Next, clear jump lists and recent items by deleting the contents of %appdata %Microsoft \Windows \recent, open Run, paste the path, select All and delete. If you want to remove taskbar jump lists too, delete files in %appdata %Microsoft \Windows. To finish, restart Explorer or sign out and sign back in so Windows rebuilds quick access without history. This ensures you see the result. You can run disk cleanup and choose cleanup system files for extra cache removal. If traces still appear, remove automatic destinations and custom destinations in the recent folder and then restart Explorer again. This is the key troubleshooting tip because those files store persistent jump list data. Make sure to back up folders first if you want to restore anything later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.